hydroxy 2-hexanone compound. According to the feature alpha, the diversity of longhorn beetles is higher in the canopy height than the end story. We compared the shared species between different heights by using Charge-Eckert index. As we can see, the diversity of longhorn beetles in canopy height share the least species with 1 meter. According to the critical value, it is significant that the diversity in canopy is different with 1 meter. According to the NMDS, we found these species are correlated with one treatment. If they are attracted to this treatment, the same result with non-parametric result. These species have a positive correlation with height. It means they may be preferred to a higher height, and this species prefer to a lower height. We also found the predators and bark beetles in our traps. We found 90 individuals belonging to 13 species and 213 individuals of bark beetle belonging to 4 species. The abundance of predators between pheromone traps and non-pheromone traps is not significantly different. But in the canopy height, the abundance of predators is significantly higher. Bark beetles attracted mainly by 3 kinds of pheromone treatment, and they have a higher abundance in 5 meter. In the end, we find that both longhorn beetles and predators have a higher diversity in canopy height, and they also have a higher abundance in canopy height. But we can't conclude that there is any relationship because, as I have mentioned, the abundance of predators in non-parametric in pheromone traps and non-pheromone traps is not significantly different. 6 longhorn beetle species were only found in canopy height, and the other 2 species were only found in 1 meter. The most effective lure among our pheromone traps is 3-hydroxy 2-hexanone, which can be used for other research. It is an effective lure for attract longhorn beetles. The abundance of longhorn beetles between height and lures have no significant interactions. Here are some photos of our field work. This is our longhorn beetle collection, and this is our pheromone traps. We would like to thank all the teachers and participants in our course who helped us during the course. That's all, thank you.
Well, on time, so we can take 5 minutes for questions. Okay, next question, in the back.
So why do you think the diversity and abundance of these beetles is higher in the canopy?
We use the GLM test.
There can be 2 reasons, like we found more abundance and diversity in the canopy because maybe the lures that we used that was easily diffused, being higher in the canopy, and that can attract more number of beetles. But since the lures are also species specific, so we cannot rule out that the abundance, we speculate that the abundance can be more because of more rate of diffusion in the canopy, but we cannot rule out that because our sampling period was too small, and to conclude something like that, we would require further study on marking the individuals and recapturing it. So we can just guess that maybe the abundance in the canopy is higher, either because some of the beetles that we found in the Mengsong have the life history that they are the active flyers and they can be in the canopy, or maybe the diffusion rate of the pheromones can be higher in the canopy.
Yeah. Did you try to correlate this with the size of the beetles? Because maybe the smaller beetles can invest higher energy to fly higher, while the very large beetles may decide to just fly around.
We did not find any such differences. Like if you measure the length of the body size of the beetles, it doesn't vary that much. So.
Any more questions?
Maybe one.
Okay.
So why you chose 5 meters? Because the canopy is probably like...
We wanted to see at different heights, maybe the understory, mid-story and the canopy. But we collected less number of beetles, so we decided to pull the data for 1 meter and 5 meter as understory and canopy differently. Just